In a solemn gesture of respect and solidarity, the Ga Mantse led a high-powered delegation to lay a commemorative flower at the ceremonial gardens in front of the presidency, honoring the memory of the fallen heroes. King Tackie Teiko Tsuru expressed the profound grief of the Ga people, describing the loss as a national tragedy that has left an indelible mark on the hearts of many.
It's a big blow to the entire nation of Ghana. On behalf of myself, the Ga State, the Gadangbe State, we commiserate with all Ghanaians. We send our special condolences to His Excellency, the President of the Republic, President John Dramani Mahama, his cabinet, the army and forces, ministers, and to the bereaved family, who we dearly know how much of our support and solidarity they would need for this moment. This should not bring division, but this should bring us together as Ghanaians. Let's all rally behind the families. Let's all rally behind the president. Let's all rally behind the party. Let's all rally behind the entire nation and stand this moment and mourn for the departed souls. They were on the line of duty, serving man and country, and this has happened to them. Won't be Mawu Hijole Kehame. Won't be a dromo Keha Ame. Ngame Kebi ni Ashi Woku ni Ashi Fe. Won't be na Hiame. Won't be na Krame. Won't be na Hame Hiwale. Won't be ni Ahani Ametri Ato. Ejakesi Iwa. Iwa. Oncho Igbeneno Ken Hama Afe no Koe. Oncho Igbeneno Ken Hame Ake no Ko. Menek bine wadumo amese. Okay, mamun fe infone ke ya fune. Ma yo. Ma bing bang. But our spirit will not be broken. Our spirit as a nation will never be broken. Our spirit will never be broken. We shall live. God bless our homeland Ghana. Thank you very much.